the way that young nigga shot them 2 black women walking in that gas station in Detroit is the reason why I say black people and black women and black men got a bigger problem and a bigger threat towards us than racism right now. It's the type of acts like that from our own motherfucking youth, from our own young YNs, whatever the fuck you want to call them. That is cowardly shit. That is demon shit. That is the shit we got to protect our women and kids from, bro. That is the shit we got to avoid. And not even avoid it, but be out here ready to deal with it if we have to. Eliminate that type of shit. Make an example out these young coward ass niggas out here just killing innocent women for no reason. Killing innocent kids for no reason because they got a fucking gun and then walk off singing a video game or music or a rap song in your head as if you didn't do nothing. These some coward ass, young demon ass niggas running around. That's what they is. Young coward ass, demon ass niggas with they puss ass.